Hi everyone, I'm Jordan Reese, and this is my visual essay. Um, so as we can see from the first photo, I chose the topic buzzword of online shopping. But this photo shows, someone in bed, comfortable on their computer. So it's showing to someone that, you can be comfortable and at home while shopping. This photo as well with a computer and then a Chanel bag, so showing you that you can get luxury items bought online together and still get that kind of luxury feel. This one shows, on your cell phone as well, looking up things to online shop, showing a Black Friday sale, and we can see a lot of these are very literal. This one as well, having like a very colorful card held above the laptop itself. So, have your card out ready to be shopping. This is another literal one. The background of the screen is completely green, and then you have money dropping all over the computer, emphasizing shopping online. This one, he's sitting on his couch, comfortable, legs up, on his computer, probably online shopping. This one as well shows, a computer in the background with your credit cards. I like how the person flipped over one card that was red to kind of blend in with it, and then the rest are all white to give that contrast. This as well, someone on their computer looking at different things to buy on a marketplace. So overall, I think online shopping itself as a visual aid is pretty literal when it comes down to it, but I think those photos really visually represent it pretty well.